day, ma'am. This is Maria Elisa Keday Mapalo from 3CRI A2-4. Now, I will discuss about physical evidence and chain of custody. So, here are the following objectives. First, discuss the ways to collect physical evidence and trace evidence. Second, identify ways in proper tagging and labeling of evidence. So, physical evidence refers to any item that comes from a non-living origin. The most important kinds of physical evidence are fingerprints, tire marks, footprints, fibers, paint, and building materials, while biological evidence always originated from the living being, like hair, blood, fingernail scratch, and semen. The chain of custody is defined as the witness written record of all of the individuals who maintain unbroken control over the items of evidence. It established the proof that the items of evidence collected at the crime scene is the same evidence that is being presented in a court of law. If the chain of custody is broken, vital evidence could be deemed legally worthless. Now, let's differentiate physical and trace evidence. So, physical evidence is any object that can connect a victim or suspect to a crime scene. The physical evidence can prove that a crime has been committed and set the scene for the investigation. For example, the gasoline found at the scene of a fire may prove arson. While in terms of trace evidence, it is the materials that could be transferred during the commission of a violent crime. These trace materials include human hair, animal hair, textile fibers and fabrics, rope, soil, glass, and building materials. So, trace evidence is important in accident investigation where the movement of one part against another will often leave a telltale marks. So, here are the steps in collecting physical evidence. First, collect all the evidence found at the crime scene. Second, careful collection, examination, and storage of physical evidence. Third, police officers must protect the crime scene that has two boundaries. Fourth, the center, which the area of crime that has been committed must protected. And fifth, the perimeter of area surrounding the center that the offender left an evidence must protect it too. Describe what will happen if the collected evidence were contaminated by your own hair, saliva, and fingerprint. So, accurate storage of evidence are vital part of any criminal investigation. So, the contamination of evidence by your own hair, saliva, and fingerprint can cause the alteration or misleading of evidence because the evidence must not be contaminated by anything. It must preserve and secure. That is the most important thing in criminal investigation. Describe why establishing a proper chain of custody of evidence is very important. So, proper chain of custody is very important because you must do a proper collection, procedure, and marking of evidence then able to obtain proper preservation. It must be accurate because it establishes the proof of evidence collected at the crime scene and it must match the evidence that is presented in the court.